In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language settings in ChatGPT 2026 guide. Whether you're brand new or you just want a smoother experience, setting the right language makes the interface clearer and voice interactions more natural. I'll walk you through where everything lives and what each option actually changes, so you can be confident you've set it up exactly the way you want. First, make sure you're signed into your ChatGPT account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile icon. That icon opens your account menu, and it's the quickest way to get to all your preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a small window with several sections. Head to the General tab. This is where the core preferences live, including the controls for interface text and spoken language. Let's start with the interface language. In the General tab, find the Language dropdown. Click it to reveal the list of available languages. This setting controls the text you see across the app: menus, buttons, notifications, and labels. Pick the language you're most comfortable reading. When you select it, ChatGPT will adjust the interface text to match. If the screen appears to refresh for a moment, that's normal. It's just reloading the text in your chosen language. If you ever pick the wrong one by accident, don't worry. You can return to this same dropdown and switch back at any time. Next, adjust the spoken language. Near the interface language controls, look for spoken language. Open that menu to browse the supported options. This preference determines the language used during voice-to-voice interactions, including how the assistant speaks back to you and what it expects when you talk to it. Choose the language you plan to use for voice sessions so recognition and responses feel natural. Remember, the spoken language is separate from the interface text, so you can read the app in one language and talk in another, if that's more comfortable. Once you've made your selections, the changes take effect immediately. There's no extra save button to press. To verify everything is set correctly, navigate around the interface and check that menus and messages appear in your chosen language. If you use voice, start a quick voice session and confirm the assistant is listening and responding in the language you selected. If anything doesn't look right, simply return to settings, open the same menus, and choose a different option. And that is all for today. Personalizing your language settings is a quick way to make your AI interactions feel more natural and efficient. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.